They said Windows 11 updates were getting predictable, just bug fixes, performance tweaks, and maybe a Copilot mention. But this time, it's different, because what Microsoft just released might quietly reshape how you use your PC every single day. Meet the Windows 11, October 2025 update, officially labeled as KB5066835. It's part of Microsoft's monthly Patch Tuesday rollout, but this one's massive, unlocking hidden AI powers, brand new tools, and interface features that make Windows 11 feel more alive, more connected, and more customizable than ever. So, if you're running Windows 11 24H2 or 25H2, buckle up, and because this update is already rolling out to your device as we speak, and what's hiding inside might just surprise you. The big picture. What KB5066835 really is, let's start with what this update actually does. This isn't just another security patch, it's what Microsoft calls a feature drop. That means it not only fixes bugs and tightens security, but it also adds new functionality that changes how your system behaves. After installation, your PC will move to build 26200.6899 for Windows 11 25H2 and build 26100.6899 for 24H2. Both versions share the same underlying core platform, so whether you're on 24H2 or 25H2, you're getting the exact same upgrades. Microsoft is clearly preparing for something bigger here, laying the groundwork for AI-native Windows.
How to get the update? There are two simple ways to grab this update. The normal way, just go to Settings, Windows Update, and it'll appear automatically.
The manual route, through Microsoft's Update Catalog. If you go the manual route, you'll find direct download links for the .msu installer packages. Choose your version, 64-bit or ARM64, hit download and open the file once it's done. Just a heads up, the file size is quite large. Expect around 3.9 GB for x64 and 3.7 GB for ARM, so make sure your connection's stable before you start. The installation takes around 7 to 10 minutes. Depending on your system, and one reboot later, you'll be running the newest build of Windows 11. The rise of AI actions in File Explorer now. Let's talk about the most talked about change, AI actions. Microsoft is officially blending artificial intelligence deeper into the Windows experience, and File Explorer is the first stop. When you right-click on an image, you'll now see a new AI Actions shortcut. And from there, you can instantly use visual search with Bing, blur backgrounds using the Photos app, remove objects from a photo, or erase backgrounds in Paint, all powered by Windows' built-in AI tools. It might sound small, but this is the beginning of something much bigger. Instead of manually opening multiple apps, these AI shortcuts connect directly to different Microsoft apps, giving you quick access to smart editing without leaving File Explorer. Imagine in the future, AI actions could summarize documents, tag photos automatically, or even edit videos. This update is step one of that vision. The comeback of the Edit command line app. Remember MS-DOS? Old school users might recall a simple tool called Edit. It was bare bones but powerful, and now it's officially back in Windows 11. The new Edit app is pre-installed with this update. It runs inside Windows Terminal and gives you a fast, no-nonsense text editing experience. No ads, no distractions, no Copilot. It supports essential features like word wrap, find tools, and keyboard shortcuts, making it ideal for coders, system admins, or anyone who just wants a fast text editor that just works. And the best part? It's open source, meaning the community can improve it over time. It's lightweight, stable, and feels like a nostalgic throwback to when Windows tools were simple, clean, and functional. Notification Center finally gets smart. If you use multiple displays, you're going to love this. For years, Windows 11's Notification Center had one annoying limitation. It would only open on your primary screen. But with KB5066835, Microsoft finally fixed it. Now, when you click the notification icon on your secondary display, it opens right there, just like on Windows 10. It's one of those subtle but incredibly useful quality-of-life improvements that make multitasking smoother, especially for people using multiple monitors for work, streaming, or gaming. And yes, the clock now supports seconds, making it a small but satisfying touch for users who love precision. Customizable volume and brightness indicators. This might sound minor, but it's one of the most requested features on forums for months. You can finally move your on-screen indicators, like volume, brightness, and airplane mode pop-ups. Before, these were locked to the bottom of your screen. Now you can reposition them anywhere. Top left, top center, or bottom center. Just open Settings, System, Notifications. Scroll down and choose your preferred layout. It's a small change, but it gives users the kind of visual flexibility Windows 10 fans have been asking for since 2021. The new Advanced Settings page, the Developer Settings page, has officially been replaced with a cleaner, smarter Advanced Settings page, found under Settings, System, Advanced. From here, you can now enable long file paths beyond the 260-character limit, end tasks directly from the taskbar without opening Task Manager, adjust system-level parameters that were previously hidden deep in the registry. These are subtle but powerful tweaks that make Windows 11 feel more professional, faster, and better suited for power users who love control. What this means for the future of Windows, if you look closely, Microsoft isn't just patching Windows anymore, they're evolving it. This update is a sign that Windows 11 is slowly transforming into a hybrid AI-powered OS, blending the desktop experience we love with the intelligence of the cloud. We're already seeing that shift, from Copilot to AI actions, from smarter notifications to adaptive UI controls. Windows 11 is becoming aware of how you use it, and this update lays more of that foundation. So even if some of these changes seem small today, they're paving the way for what's coming next, possibly Windows 12 or a full AI-integrated Windows experience. Final thoughts: the Windows 11. October 2025. Update KB5066-835 might not have flashy marketing or dramatic visuals, but it's one of the most impactful updates of the year. It quietly enhances your workflow, brings back nostalgia with the edit tool, adds flexibility with customizable controls, and introduces practical AI that actually saves time. So, before you dismiss this as just another patch, take a closer look. This update is laying the digital foundation for the next generation of Windows. And if you haven't updated yet, go to Windows Update, hit Check for Updates, and experience it yourself. Outro for Touch Trove. That's it for today's deep dive into the Windows 11 October 2025 update. If you found this video helpful, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to Touch Trove, and ring the bell icon, because we bring you the smartest tech updates before anyone else. Stay tuned, because Microsoft's next update might not just fix your PC, it might completely redefine it. Multi-monitor users, rejoice! The notification center now finally works on your secondary display. And guess what? You can now move your volume and brightness indicators anywhere on the screen. Top, center, or bottom. Add in a fresh advanced settings page, smoother performance, and AI-ready tweaks, and you've got a Windows 11 update that actually feels exciting again.